Assalamualaikum. So this is me, a first year MBBS student at Dow University of the Health and Sciences. I have just given my first year prof exam, so inshallah I will be your senior. First of all, a huge congratulations to all of you who have made it to the medical universities this year. You guys have taken the very first step of your medical journey, so welcome to the team batch of 2021. On this channel, I will be guiding you regarding your MBBS and also giving you some lectures regarding the gross anatomy, most probably. In this video, I will be giving you just a peek into the first year MBBS gross anatomy, and like we are having the modular system here in the MBBS, you will be having the 5 modules in your first year, like the foundation module, the blood module, the locomotor, respiratory and cardiovascular module. Its duration is basically different in all the university, like in the doubts of 10th week I guess, and in JSME I do not know the particular duration for each university, so you guys can check it out from your academic calendar. Okay, so like for the foundation module, it's very much basic or info you need to know at this for regarding this module. Like for the gross anatomy, it's like you need to know about the anatomical positions, the planes of the body, the joints, the bones, the different types of the bones, the bone formation and the joints, the muscles, different types of the muscles, and the lymphatic system, the cardiovascular system, also the nervous system, all the systems of the body superficially you need to know. Okay, so for that you do not need to go with the long book like the KLM or the Grace. For this module I would recommend you guys to go with the BD Jurassic handbook, and it's basically short book covering all the information regarding your foundation module, and if you covered it very well, so your exam and the theory will be safely covered. You do not need to be worried about it. But the one thing that I would recommend you guys to pair it up with the slides of that gross anatomy as well. The lecture slides are very much important because sometimes the teacher taught you some topics which is not being mentioned in the book. So for that you must see the slide as a reference that you are covering all the essentials that you need to. Okay, so for the foundation module, go with the general anatomy. You will be having some friends that will be using the long books like the KLM and the Grace. In the end, everyone turned towards the short book, so just use it from the beginning, because in the MBBS if you want to survive, it's like the not to survive, I would say that if you want to be successfully clearing your exams, so I would recommend you guys to work smartly, not hardly. So the BD book is an ideal book for it, and in detail you will be covering the body and the rest of the module. So for that the long books will be recommended as compared to the short book. Okay, so for the foundation, the general anatomy, I used the 9th edition for it. I couldn't get the picture of that one, so I put the 7th edition one. This is the cover page, and you guys can get this book even from the Dow University. There is the bookshops opposite to the Dow University. You can get it from there or any other place that you know you can get it, even though you can also get it online. Then we are having the blood module. In the blood module there is no gross anatomy, so yes, first of all I would like to tell you that the anatomy is also divided into 3 categories, that is the gross anatomy, that is the histology and the embryology. So in the blood you are having the embryology and histology but not the gross anatomy, so you are safe in this module from the gross anatomy. These 3 modules are the locomotor module, the respiratory module and the cardiovascular module. We have 2 books, that is the Gray's Anatomy or the KLM. This is basically the KLM cover page, and this is basically the Gray's cover page, this one. Okay, so yes, and this will be you when you will be studying the locomotor module. So regarding the Gray's Anatomy, I used that book and it was an amazing experience for me for using this book, because the pictures here are very much amazing and the text is great. You can get all the info that you need to know regarding your exams and the Viva from this book as well as the KLM. So it's your choice which one you would like to follow. I won't be forcing you guys to go with the one that I used. Okay. In the respiratory module, you will be dealing all about the lungs, and in the cardiovascular module, you will be dealing about the heart. So these 2 modules are relatively easier as compared to the locomotor module, in which you will be dealing the upper limb, the lower limb, and the breast. So it's a little bit detailed module, so you need to be smart in this module rather than other 2, because it's a little bit long module. Okay, now this is basically the treasure, which is a short book for the gross anatomy that you will be using in the end whenever especially in the locomotor module when you will not be able to cover your lower limb, so you will be using this book to cover your lower limb from from here. I didn't use this book for the lower limb as well. I covered it from the Grey's Anatomy, but this book was used by me for the joints. ठीक है, मैंने जैसे joints किए थे, and for the prof exam I did my muscles revision. For the viva I'm talking about, the muscles revision I did here from here, the joints I did from here, and also the clinicals for the both the upper limb and the lower limb I did from here. Okay, so you guys can go with this book, short book, in your prof, and if you want to go with this book in your modular exam, so you can go with it also, but I won't recommend you guys to go with it in the modular exam. It will be much more better for you to if you choose the Grey's Anatomy or the KLM Anatomy, because you must need basic of the modules as well. Okay, so for these three modules, the locomotor module, the respiratory module, and the cardiovascular module, I would recommend you to go with the Grey's Anatomy or either the KLM, and even you can choose. And for the prof, for the quick revision, I would recommend you to go with the this BRS Anatomy, that is the gross anatomy book, because the tables here are concise and you can go with it when you want to do the revision for your viva. Okay, so that was all about the gross anatomy I have covered. So for the rest of the subject, I will be making a separate video in which I will be covering all the subjects. This is the foundation module, the BD Chirasia. I would recommend you, highly recommended book. And the locomotor module, the respiratory module, and cardiovascular module, these two books, either anyone you can choose. So for the quick revision, this is a short book, that is a BRS gross anatomy. You can choose this book for your revision, or the notes that you will be making during your first year, you can choose it also. So yes, that was all about the foundation module, gross anatomy. I will be covering the remaining subjects in the other single video. So till then, just take care and Allah Hafiz. Best of luck.